Moving on to the national capital now, where Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has called in for an all-party meeting to discuss the COVID strategy in the national capital. Remember, this decision has come after the recent spurt in the number of infections in the city, and we have already seen several senior leaders coming in for this meeting, this all-party meeting called in by Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal himself. Remember, there has been a reporting of over around 8,000 cases per day here in the national capital, specifically in this festive period. And now steps are being taken to make sure that this can be curbed further. Let's go across to my colleague Piyush now, joining us with more on this. Piyush, we have seen how there has been a constant rise in the number of COVID cases in the national capital, specifically in the onset of winters, the pollution problem, as well as now the festive season coming in. Please share more details about this meeting.
Well, absolutely, Richard. Right now, as you are speaking, this meeting is underway at the Delhi Secretariat, where the top leaders from different political parties are present. What we are learning is that in this particular meeting, issues will be discussed as to how to control the rising cases of COVID-19 in national capital. We know that since the time there is onset of winters in national capital, the number of cases are increasing rapidly every day. More than 8,000 cases are being reported, and the testing has also been increased. We also know that before this, a couple of days back, Home Minister Amit Shah had also chaired a meeting in which he had called in Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi LG, Anil Baijal, Union Health Minister and Delhi Health Minister were also present in that meeting. And after that, a slew of measures were announced by the Union Home Ministry. And now today, Delhi Chief Minister is now personally monitoring a meeting in which he has called in representatives of different political parties from BJP, from Congress. And what we're learning is that after taking their views, there could be a decision which we can see. What we're also picking is that at around 12, he's likely to address a press conference also, and at around 1, Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia will also be addressing the press conference. So certain developments are now taking place every day. The number of cases are increasing, and looking at that, this meeting has been called in. We know that yesterday itself, Union Home Ministry had announced a slew of measures after that meeting, which was chaired by Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and in that announcement, he had announced that beds will be increased, more and more beds will be provided at DRDO COVID facility. On the other side, at Shakur Basti railway station also, we also saw that around 800 additional beds have been provided. So these are the measures that were taken by your Home Ministry. And now today, Delhi Chief Minister is now personally holding this meeting. We'll have to wait and watch what comes out of this meeting.
All right, so all eyes will be on this all-party meeting, Piyush. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this, even as the MHA has already put on a 20-point plan for curbing the COVID infection rates in the national capital.